Here is how to use Bench Boost and Triple Captain in Fantasy Premier League. Bench Boost and Triple Captain are 1 week chips that can significantly increase your score. You can only use one chip per game week. In the current FPL format, you receive 2 sets of chip each season, one for the first half and the another for the second half. Unused first half chips do not carry over. So, talking about the bench boost, what it actually does is normally only the 11 players in your starting lineup on points. With bench boost, all 15 players in your squad, your starting 11 plus 4 bench players earn points for that game week. The best time to use it is when all 15 of your players are expected to play. During a double game week, when several of your bench players have 2 matches, often used after playing a wild card to build a strong 15-player squad. For example, in bench, the goalkeeper has 6 points, defender is 7 points, midfielder 5, and forward 8. Without bench boost, 0 points from your bench. With bench boost, your total score increases by 26 points from your bench players. So, talking about the triple captainship, what it does is your captain's points are tripled instead of doubled for one game week. For example, if your captain scores 12 points, the normal captain will get 24 points, but the triple captain will get 36 points. You get an extra 12 points compared to a normal captaincy. The best time to use it is when a top player, for example, leading goal scorer, has an easy home match or a double game week with 2 matches, giving them 2 opportunities to score high points. And here's how to activate either chip. You need to click on the fantasy tab from the bottom of the screen, which is between latest and season. Then select Pick Team option. Here, choose Bench Boost in the top right or the Triple Captain chip if it's available, and save your team before the game week deadline. You can cancel the chip anytime before the deadline if you change your mind. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.